How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once the pop-up menu appears, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the people's accounts that you have blocked on TikTok. So here, to unblock someone, you just have to find that particular person that you want to unblock. And here, once you've found that, you can just tap on unblock button just beside that username. And now here, once you do it, that particular person will be unblocked on TikTok. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.